just wanna make things right. Walk, keep us on the road, try to find what we had before.
Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and this video is being sponsored by a company called Binf Hair. This is not my first time working with this company, you guys, but I'll get into all of that at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. So they did send some goodies, some hair ties, some flexi rods, and of course the wig itself. Now you guys, this is a 24-inch lace front wig, meaning it's not a full lace wig. There's only limited parting space in the front of the wig. Okay, so it has 3 combs, as you guys can see, 1 comb in the back, and it also has adjustable straps, and it's on this really comfortable stretch panel cap. So as you guys can see, I wasn't sure what I really wanted to do with this wig, so I decided on a nice sleek middle part. This is very trendy. I see a lot of people wearing, or rather rocking, middle parts, and I think it's really nice when you have long straight black hair.
Easy just like they say, but I don't wanna give us up. Custom made, it will be the hardest thing to lose out on every single dream, and I don't plan on giving us up.
So as you can see, you guys, this wig is super easy to style. I pretty much did everything on camera except adhere it to my head. But I'm just showing you that the lace on this wig was rather light, but it does melt into your skin, and also the knots on this wig do not come bleached. I'm pretty sure you can request that or ask the company to do it, or if you're skilled in that, department, you could just go ahead and do it yourself. So here I'm just customizing the wig, because the perimeter is a little long, so I wanted it to go and fit around my ears, so I did all of that. And I'm going up close and personal to show you guys that you don't always have to tint your lace. You can definitely get away with blending this lace into your skin by just using your powder foundation that matches your complexion. So as you can see on that side, it's really light, and then I just went ahead on the other side and did that side. So the wig, the lace, everything just melted into my skin so good. And again, all I had to do was use my foundation and I was good to go.
Don't tell a million lies, kill the butterflies. I just wanna make things right.
Hey y'all, so first off, don't pay me no mind, I'm high as fuck. But I just wanted to come on here really quick and talk about this wig that I'm wearing. As you guys saw in the intro, it's super cute. It's long as hell. Like, this is my go-to hairstyle for, especially for the winter time. Fall and winter, I usually go with middle parts, straight long black hair, and so this is the basics. Again, this is from the company called Binf. I don't know how you pronounce that, but that's what it says on here. Yes, but this is not my first time working with this company, you guys, so they have really good hair. The only thing I can say about this particular wig is if you get it, make sure you get a higher density so that you don't see any tracks, because this is a lace front, so it's only limited parting space in the front, and again in the back it's just tracks. So make sure that, you know, you get a higher density, or if you get the same wig that I have, just make sure you wear like a dark cap underneath so that you don't see those tracks, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's the only thing that I have to say about this wig. Other than that, there's no shedding, no tangling or anything like that. This wig was super easy to apply. I did use my Bold Hold Active to apply it, so this wig will be on my head for at least 3 days, and I like that. I did use 2 coats with that, so it went on with no problems. Everything was just really seamless and effortless. Like, you guys are really going to enjoy this wig, especially for beginners. As you guys are seeing in the video clips or the clips I might be showing you before this, it was just super easy to apply this wig. Like, I had 0 issues, and the lace just melted into my skin. So the lace was a little light, and you guys are seeing that I put some foundation on the lace because just a little bit, like, I didn't really need to go in on that because it was already melted into my skin. But you guys, I really love it. I cut the baby hairs. I didn't like swoop them down or anything like that. I kind of just like brushed them to the side because it was just, it wasn't necessary to have baby hairs with this particular style. As you guys see, this wig is very long and I love it. I love it. I have no complaints. So if you guys are interested in this unit, all of the information will be down below in the description box. Make sure you guys are following me on social media, because then you get to see my wigs before anyone else does, like on YouTube, because I always either post on Snapchat or Instagram or Facebook. But I'll leave all of that down below in the description box. And if you guys have any questions or comments, make sure you go ahead and comment, thumbs up the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.
My phone, yeah, 3 o'clock in the morning.